I'll give you. I'll look after you. I'll give you something good.
Oh, they want money. No money.
Give me 100.
What? 100? You just come up to people, ask for 100?
I swear, brother. They're doing it as a job.
Oh, I know. Jesus Christ. These little kids are. How much you want me to give you?
100.
No, I'm not going to give you 100. Come on. Oh, they're relentless, huh? Yeah. Where do I stand? Right here? On the line? Oh, right here? Okay, all right. All right, so I found Justin gambling here. Apparently, if you just land a coin on the center of whatever number, you times that by what your coin is worth. That's how you win. Did you want to try, Justin? I'm going to. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, you want a couple coins? No, I'm good. Yeah?
I'll be trapped.
You'll be trapped?
Yeah. I'll be there all night.
Can I just do it? Yeah? Alright, I'm gonna try it. Okay. Where? Where do I stand? Right here? On the line? Oh, right here? Okay, alright. This is very tricky. Alright, let's go. Hey! Good job! Hey! No, I didn't throw. It was him. No, it wasn't me. I didn't throw yet. Man. Okay. Hey, come on. Damn it, dude. This is not as easy as it looks. I'm gonna get it, Justin. I got like 5-6 coins left. Hey, what is that? Thank you, my friend. Oh wow, that was a bad one. What do we got here? We got a bunch of food here, all in the center, and surrounding the food is all these scams and hustlers.
Hello, brother.
How you doing?
Welcome home.
Thank you.
It's the best.
Oh, what do you got here?
Everything. It's barbecue, lamb.
Barbecue?
Yeah, barbecue. Lamb, beef, chicken, sausage, lamb chop.
We're gonna look around and see first.
Inshallah. 5-star Michelin.
5-star Michelin. I like that, dude. I like that.
Best of the best.
5-star.
Have my kitchen. 1 minute.
That looks good right there.
1 minute, please. Maybe we come back, inshallah.
Not right now. We just got here. We don't want to eat right now. Okay, I'll look. That's all I want it to be. What is this?
Tanzia, special one in Marrakesh. Lamb, spicy, garni, sauce, lemon is the best one. Slowly cooked.
Slowly cooked?
Yeah, slowly cooked. 3 hours
Safe,
cooked.
good? Safe and good to eat?
Yeah, it's the best.
The best cooked good?
Sorry, it's fucking good.
I like that.
Fucking have a wabi.
Okay, you know, I think I will come back, okay? But I like to walk around first. I will. What's your name?
Mohammed.
Mohammed.
Ravi.
Robbie. You?
Ravi, Tawfiq.
Tawfiq?
Nice to meet you.
Mohammed, nice to meet you.
Number is 56.
This is where you guys want to come and eat. Number 56. I'll put this on the video, okay? Maybe we come back. Thank you, man. You guys are nice. Thank you, thank you.
Good holidays, sir.
Thank you, man. Well, I don't know if I trust the food here. Last time I did that, I was in Egypt and I got diarrhea for like 2 days, maybe 3. Okay. Hey,
Good face.
good face, good face.
bro.
You're good face. Look, you
From
see
where
yourself?
exactly?
No,
Just asking you, from where?
Oh, U.S., Boston.
Oh my God, Boston.
yeah,
I am
yeah.
from Las Vegas, man.
You're from Las Vegas?
Yes,
I've
sure.
been to Las Vegas.
But exactly, my girlfriend, she live in Las Vegas. She
Yeah,
have
yeah,
too
yeah.
much money.
Yeah.
She's coming in Morocco.
It's a lot of money.
We go for a nice holiday. And after she's going, I am
Yeah.
still in Morocco.
Okay.
This is the life.
This is the life, dude.
You like
Sorry.
You rich man?
No.
You don't have $1 million?
No, I wish I did. If I
Shares
did,
United
I'd give you
States.
half of it.
You know what? Give me just 15 bucks.
You too, brother. So it's just like food in this whole center, man. And we're just saying, like, I don't know if I would trust it, but like a lot of people are eating here. You know?
Yeah.
Maybe it's good. Yeah, it's cooked. Yeah, it's cooked, right? So maybe you know, that brisket was like at what time did we eat the brisket? Maybe 2:30. What time is it now? It's 8:38, dude. It's fucking dinner time, bro. Eggs. Oh man, I do like eggs. I want to go back over there, dude.
Later, maybe?
Yeah, I actually want to get some food over there. I want to try it. I wanted to go try over there. I'm number 56.
But my shit is the best.
Your shit, but they said where you from? London? Your accent's kind of
I come from Luton. Yeah.
from Luton.
I'm not, bro.
No, you got a good,
not.
very thick accent
Thank
from
you
there.
so much. We're chatting bubbles. We're trying.
Yeah.
Say chat shit, get banned.
Oh, I don't even know what the hell you just said.
Seriously.
That's thick,
Where
dude.
Where from, by the way?
Boston, U.S.
Boston,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
that's
yeah,
I'll give you a joke. Tell me, have you heard about the kidnapping?
No.
Just woke up. Did you get it?
I did. That was a good one, guy. That was a good one.
That's why I come to myself.
No, it's
the same
okay, man.
everywhere, I swear. I'll look after you. I'll give you something good.
Oh, they want money. No money.
Give me 100.
What? 100? You just come up to people, ask for 100?
I swear, brother. They're doing it as a job.
I know.
Just try some of my stuff. I promise you, I will look after you. I've got barbecues, fish, seafood, tagines, couscous.
I made good friends with my boy over there. I promised him, dude. I don't want to lie to you and say I'm not hungry. You know what I mean?
At least you're honest. No problem. I'll see you next time.
Oh, thank you. Okay, thank you.
So have a lovely evening, my brother.
You too, man. Take care.
Next time.
Nice to meet you. Jesus Christ. These little kids are... How much you want me to give you?
100.
No, I'm not going to give you 100. Come on.
100.
Oh, they're relentless, huh? Yeah.
100.
What you say? 100 dirham.
1 dirham.
1 dirham.
Yes.
Oh my God. It's so hard to say. It's easier to say no to the adults, but it's hard to say no to the kids. But they're so like aggressive too. They're just like came up to me, hey, give me 100 dirham. They want money. They won't give me money. They won't. Okay. Hey, where's the guy? Hey, where's my boy? Where'd he go?
Yes.
Hey.
Hey, Mohammed.
Hey, Mohammed. Mohammed. What's up, brother? Hey, I want to eat. Come on. Come on. I told you I'd come back. I thought I Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. I don't know where Justin went, but clearly he doesn't want to eat. All right, I want to set this down for a second, prepare to eat some food. All right, guys, so for 70 dirham, what's that, like $7 US dollars? I get a soda, I get mixed meat, beef, chicken, I get vegetables, some bread, all this stuff.
Olives.
Olives. I couldn't think of the name. I'm gonna dive in right now. Let's see how it is. Yo, those girls came back again asking for 100.
100?
Yeah, they were asking for 100. Man, I really hope I don't get the shits, dude.
I just started asking them for money when they ask
Beef
me.
is good. Yeah. Wait. All right.
Whatever they ask, I double it and ask for it.
I'm gonna try chicken right now, real quick. Chicken's good. It's cooked through, but it's not bad. Try this yellow one right here.
The rat.
The rat is really good. Delicious. And there's one more here I like to try. I don't know what that is, but it's really good. All of it's really good. And it's cooked through, so hopefully I'm not shitting myself for the next 3 days. 3 days after I eat this. Yeah, just wait, relax. I'll tip you guys. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Have a good one. Thank you, guys. Well, very entertaining.
Happy birthday to you.
How you doing?
My brother, welcome, welcome, welcome.
Hey.
And I hear why I come here. Alibaba, Alibaba. Wah, 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 la, la, la.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
No, thank you.
More money, please, for
No, thank you. No, thank you.